Hello guys, this is Mr. Mohammed Mirghani. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain how to create a style in Microsoft Word by using the specimen paper as an example of 2023. And here we have the question. Start by create and install the following styles. And we can know that the style has 6 types. So here we're going to create one of these 6, and creating any one of them is the same steps that you can do it with the others. So here the examiner asked me to create the style called TY subhead. So the first thing we're going to open the document and to create the style from home. Here we have styles. We click on this small arrow. So the styles is going to open by this navigation bar. So you're going to click here, and from the dialog box I'm going to give the whole specification of my style. First thing that the examiner asks me about is to make the name of the style, which is the TY subhead. So this one is going to be typed here. And always remember the style type should be as a paragraph, and the based on should be as normal. So this is very important, is to choose here your type of the style based on normal. So you're going to click on normal, and here this one is going to appear with the same name of the style. Then here we have the name of the style sans serif, and sans serif it means directly is Arial. So from here you're going to choose the Arial, and we have 16 the font size. So the font size is going to be from here. You can use it from the drop down menu 16, or you can type it. Then we have the alignment center. So the alignment to be center, from here you can choose center, and also you can choose center from the paragraph or from the font later on. Then we have enhancement. He said all capitals and bold, and the enhancement you should do it from the format, from font, and here we can see that we have all the enhancement. We can do it from this area. So we have here the effect. Over here we have all capitals. Then he said bold. Bold also I can do it from here directly, or I can do it from here directly. Both will do. This one or this one. Okay? If you take it from here, fine. If you take it from here, also fine. Then, okay, now we finish from the enhancement. Then we're gonna come to the line spacing and the space before and the space after. And to do the line spacing, we're gonna come to format and paragraph, and here we have the line spacing. So you take the line spacing depends on the question, and then he says single, so you're going to give it single, and the space before and the space after is 0 or 9. And this one you can do it simply from the space before 0, and the space after here is 9. So you're going to write 9, and okay. And now we finish from the first type of the style, and we can see it here, all the specification that the examiner give it to us. Then we're going to click on OK. When you click on OK, you can see this is the style which we created. Any kind of modification for the style, you can make right click, you can go to modify and change anything that you want it here. But make sure that the style is not applied in your document. By you click on normal here always. So the style is going to be not yet created but not yet applied. So always choose the normal here. Then we're going to apply the same steps here with the TY style for the table. So this is the TY table, the name of the style. So you're going to create new style by click on the same place here, and we're going to give the name, and as usual paragraph, and it should be based on normal. All of them should be this one. And then here this one by default is going to take the same name we have it here. Then we're going to have the font style is serif, and serif it means Times New Roman. It's always Times New Roman here. Then the font size is 11, and the alignment is center. So the font size is going to be from here 11, and from here I can choose the center. Also I can choose the center from the format, from the font, and I can choose the center from the size. I can choose it from here. For the center, I can simply choose it from paragraph, and I can choose the alignment from center here. But the fastest way is to take it from here. Then he said italic single, so you're going to make it italic. You can take also the italic from here, or you can go also to paragraph and you take, or from the font, not the paragraph, from the font you can take the italic from here. Then we're going to have the single and 00, single for the spacing, space before and space after is 00. So from format you can go to paragraph, and this is the line spacing, and this is space before and after. Then everything is fine, okay, and okay. And also you can see here is applied. We make sure that don't not apply it right now, so you're going to click on normal. So now we finish from these two, and we're going to carry on the question. The examiner asked for take a screenshot to show that you have the definition of the TY sub head style. So you're going to take a screenshot by you going back to the TY sub head style, make right click and modify, and from here you're going to take your screenshot simply by taking the snipping tool and you snipping it exactly to the space here. And remember, the examiner is going to have a look to this place to ensure that you make the stuff. But remember, do not make this shape, do not make this drawing. I just make it to explain it to you. And also, the examiner asked me here for the style. He said display the custom style as in your style manager or organizer. That means I have to show my styles names in the organizer or manager. And to show it in the organizer or manager, simply you're going to show it this way. You're going to come here, and this is the organizer or manager. This is exactly the place where you should make the screenshot. So you're going to come here, and also you're going to take screenshot for this one, and this is considered as organizer or manager for your style. And after that, I'm gonna come to here. The examiner in question 5, he said the style names TY title already has been created and installed. And here we want to modify it. And modify it means that the style is already existing. So we want just to modify it. So we came back here and we're going to see that the style he asked me about is called TY title. So we can see here we have the TY title. Here it is. Right click and modify. It's going to directly return you to the style. Let's have the specification. It's called TY title. Then the font type is sans serif, and sans serif simply is Arial. So from here we can choose the Arial, and the size is 32 and the alignment is center. So size is 32. I can write it here directly, and is center. You can take it from here. And for the enhancement is bold and underline. So you're going to take it bold and underline. And you can see it took the italic from the previous style. So ensure that you don't tick on the bold. And this is give you the preview here. And then we have here the space for the line space, and space before and after is single and 0 and 6. So here we're going to go to format and paragraph. Here the line spacing is single, this one is 0, and the after we want it as A6. Let me check, is 6, yes, perfect, 6. Then okay, and voila, now we finish from the style, the second one, okay, and we can see it here. It's clearly that we did the style. Same idea, the examiner is going to ask me for an evidence for this style and put it in the evidence document. We want a screenshot for this one as an evidence. Also, we're going to come here. Which style we did? We did exactly here the style of title. We modified. So you're going to come to the title, right click and modify. And here we're going to take also the screenshot for this one, and to ensure that you're going to put it in your evidence document. and all the other styles that you are responsible about it in the document with the same way of creating any one of these. And we have the TY subhead, the table, we have the title, we have the subheadings, we have the bullets, we have the numbering, or we have also the table. The whole of them, they're doing it with the same way of creating the style. And as I said, this one has been explained from the specimen paper 2023. This is Mr. Mohammed Mirghani. Hopefully you understand how to create the style in Microsoft Word. Hope to see you soon, inshallah, in a very useful videos. Have a good time and bye-bye.